right, Mo here. HotJet Nozzles, right?
Yes.
Again, we kind of repeat ourselves through these different nozzle versions. A lot of companies don't realize we're probably the largest stocking, one of the, don't want to feel too braggadocious. We keep one HE triple Q, a lot of nozzles here, particularly Reaper and Warthog. To the greatest nozzles in our industry, they still are some of the best of the best of the best. I personally like different packages because that way I can choose what I like. We got Steve here. He's a lot more of a nozzle expert than I am. I'm an engine pump guy, but that's okay. As Steve says it's best about nozzles and how they impact your jetting. Go ahead there, Steve.
Okay, so on the standard 4-piece set, we've got the thruster nozzle, the first one, which is good for, it's got 1 forward and 3 back, so it's good for pushing. The second one is the flusher, which is all back jets, no front ones for pulling. And then the de-icer, degreaser has 3 forward and 3 back, which is good for
see that
pushing things out and also flushing. Good for ice too. And then the polishing nozzle we have, which is good for biofilm. It just throws water out to the sides and polishes and finishes off the cleaning in the pipe.
So here's that kit here. We don't have pricing good through, but it's for sure good through 2026. If you beg, maybe the guys will honor that. We take pride in, one thing I like to say is the guys that are answering the phone on parts, whether it's Steve, Aiden, or the other guys, they're technically trained in nozzles. I think if you get somebody on a general site where they're just selling parts all day long, good luck, right? We guarantee proper fit for your machine. I want to go over the better kit. That includes this 4-pack and the Reaper and the Warthog.
No, it's ore.
What's that?
Reaper ore.
Reaper ore. Oh, I'm wow. Okay, that's the best kit. Sorry. So it's Reaper or this one. I've got to learn how to read. Your choice of Reaper or Warthog. I'm in Utah, man. Okay, 1/4 inch nozzle pack. So if you do a lot more roots, sorry about the drilling. We're working swing shifts building jetters. So if you got a lot of roots to cut out, Steve, you can kind of pitch in there, but man, the Reaper will cut through.
Yeah, that's good for cutting through roots and pushing, or ice even, and pushing it to the main. The Warthog's good finishing nozzle. They kind of work good on 1-2 punch. The Reaper pulls through, and then the Warthog finishes. You know.
And then if you want it all, we got our best selection. So that is this pack included with that? It's actually not, is it? They wouldn't need these, would they? Yeah, you wouldn't need those. So these have the European channeled nozzles. We'll take a quick peek there. So those are tier 3.
Yeah, they're tier 3 nozzles. They're 90% efficient just by design. So
this is you can kind of see it, not so much on these smaller ones, but includes everything. So that's the whole enchilada. If you want the knocker nozzle, which I've got one in a larger size, and that would be smaller. Excuse me, I switched from Camels to what Marble Reds. That was big in high school. All the guys that smoked those are dead now, but it was a fun ride. So there's your knocker. It'd be smaller. That's in
1/4 inch as well.
That's 3/8.
So it's a descaler nozzle. It has this eccentric off balance, so when it's spinning, it kind of beats around and descales as it goes down the pipe. And then this is just another version of the polishing nozzle that comes with that set.
Yeah, well, it's $9.95 extra.
Oh, okay.
So this set right here is your high output nozzles,
and the
and
Warthog.
the Reaper, and the Warthog. So that's everything. That's the whole enchilada, as I like to call it. Now, if you buy the best kit, I'm reaching over. You get a Cabela's $25 gift card, and that will buy you like the big salted nut bar thing that's $25, a little piece of fudge, and the guys, we've said, hey, you get a HotJet bug. You know, these are great. Put your pens in. A little bit of 10 years ago, we're talking the old Mo. That's me. I remember my name. It's on my shirt. Little snippy at the end of the day. Had to do that. That's 10 years ago now. I've been dry now, actually 8 years or 9 years. Been 9 of the most miserable years of my life, man.
And don't forget,
just
every
joking
order gets a saltwater taffy here.
Yeah, we get a little bag. Every order gets saltwater taffy. Steve's throwing that in a notepad. So there's Steve's card. You can kind of zoom in on Steve and Aiden's card. Make notes on that. Call these guys. Send them your best joke there is. They like that stuff. We all like that stuff. Thanks. Give us a ring. Take care.